Now that we have our 5 small pieces put together, we're going to make ribbon to go with this corsage. So I have some ribbon that's a 1/4 inch wide. Some people like to use a lace ribbon or a complementary color to the flower. There's 3 different ribbons I'm going to put on this, and each flower needs its own ribbon. The first one I'm going to do, I twist the ribbon, bring it together in the middle, twist it again, and bring it together in the middle, and this makes a 2-loop bow. And I'm going to cut that off and wrap it with a little piece of wire right in the middle, and I'm going to twist it tightly. The next one I'm going to make is a large bow for the bottom of the corsage. This is going to have 3 to 6 loops on each side, depending on how big you want the ribbon. Twisting the ribbon back to the middle, turn the ribbon, twist again back to the middle and turn. You're holding the twist with your thumb so it doesn't fall apart, and twisting each time. And cut it off. And use the wire to secure it in the middle. And the next ribbon I'm going to make is for the very top of the corsage, and it's just going to have 1 loop with a little tail at the top. So I'm going to have the end free, make a loop back onto itself, and leave a little bit hanging at the bottom, and cut that off, and tie it with your wire. This will go at the top of the corsage, and each one of these will be wrapped with your florist tape. And the next segment I'll show you how to put this all together.